That's alright, mama, just any way you do. That's alright. That's alright. That's alright now, mama, any way you do. That's Alright Mama by Elvis Presley is played with just 3 chords: an A major chord, a D major chord, and an E major chord. We're going to slightly simplify the strumming so you can get started right away. So we have a pretty much consistent chord progression throughout the entire song. We have 4 bars of A, 2 bars of D, 2 bars of E, and then 2 more bars of A before we repeat from the start. So the song's going to start on an A major chord, and for the rhythm we're going to strum all down in 8th notes. We're going to aim for the bass strings on the beat, so the A, D and G strings when we're on an A chord, and the treble strings off the beat, so the G, B and E strings. So it'll sound like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... That's going to be the same rhythm throughout the entire song. So we've got 4 bars of A to start: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Then we go to D for 2 bars. We go to the D, we're going to strum the bass strings on the D, G and B strings, the high notes on the G, B and high E strings. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 bars of that. Then we move to an E chord for 2 bars. For this one we're going to strum the E, A and D for the bass, G, B and high E for the high strings. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and again for 2 bars before we move back to an A major chord for 2 more bars. Same strumming as we did to start with. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So that would sound like this. We start on the A chord for 4 bars. That's alright, mama, that's alright for you. That's alright, mama, just any way you do. Go to D, go to D. That's all E now, mama, anyway, back to A. Repeat the section throughout the rest of the song. To make the rhythm sound a little bit more like the record, we can add an up strum after every offbeat strum. So 1 and a down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Just getting started on guitar and you're looking for more songs that are around about this level, check out this playlist here. Thanks for watching, good luck with this one, and take care.